Good morning students, nice to see you. Okay, so today we are going to know the two examples which are most important for you. After the theorem what I have discussed yesterday, the theorem based on the areas of similar triangles, we are going to know example 8, which is also be taken as a theorem, and it is given as prove that if area of two similar triangles are equal, then they are congruent. Okay, what is example 8 given to us? Example 8, prove that if areas of two similar triangles are equal. So that means let we take two similar triangles. Okay, so I am taking two similar triangles, let they be ABC and PQR. So here what he is saying, given triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Also it is given that area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle PQR. Asking to show that the two triangles are congruent. So we need to prove that the two triangles are congruent. Triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR. Okay, triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR. Right. Let us see if the two triangles are similar. Okay, in the proof, we know that if triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, you can say area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square by PQ square is equal to BC square by QR square is equal to AC square by PR square. Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square by P. This is the theorem what we have seen yesterday. But what is given here? Area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle PQR. If these two are equal, isn't it given here? So you can cancel them to get the value 1. Okay, right? Implies area of triangle ABC by area of triangle ABC is equal to AB square by PQ square is equal to BC square by QR square is equal to AC square by PR square. From where did you get the both of them are equal? So given, it is from the given. You can cancel both of them to get the value 1. Therefore, I equate each value to 1. Say AB square by PQ square is equal to 1. BC square by QR square is equal to 1. AC square by PR square is equal to 1. Now make the cross multiplication everyone. Yes, very good Nana. AB square is equal to PQ square. BC square is equal to QR square. AC square is equal to PR square. Now what can you do now? Excellent, excellent. You can cancel the squares. You can cancel the squares. So what do you get? AB is equal to PQ. BC is equal to QR and AC is equal to PR. If three sides of one triangle are equal to three sides of another triangle, then they are said to be congruent. Very good. So triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR by S congruency. Is that clear, Nana? Right. The first example is completed. Now, let us go to the 10th example. Example 9 is very simple. You can just see that one and you can understand it. Okay. So, you practice example 9 by your own. Now, I am going to example 10, which is also important. Keep stars. Example 8 and example 10 are important, Nana. Keep stars for both of them. Okay. Right. So, coming to the example 10, what it is given there? Diagonals of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC. My example 10 Nana. So a trapezium is given to us. Okay, in the trapezium, AB is parallel to DC and the diagonals AC and BD intersect at O. Is it clear? That is what given here. Diagonals of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC intersect each other at point O. Okay, right. Given ABCD is a trapezium, AC line segment comma BD line segment intersect at O. After then what is given there? That it is given AB is equal to 2CD. AB is equal to 2CD. Observe carefully. AB is equal to 2CD. So you can write AB by CD is equal to 2 by 1. Okay, right. Find the ratio of areas of triangle AOB. So to find, what is to find here? Area of triangle AOB by area of triangle COD. Excellent, excellent. You have observed AOB triangle, COD triangle. Here what are these two angles called? Very good. Vertically opposite angles. What are these two angles are called? Very nice. Alternate interior angles. Similarly, you can take these two also, isn't it? Alternate interior angles. So they are equal. Okay? Right. Now coming to the answer. In triangle AOB and triangle COD. Okay? In triangle AOB and triangle COD, what can you say? We can say that angle AOB is equal to angle COD, vertically opposite angles. Angle OAB is equal to angle OCD, alternate interior angles. When two angles of one triangle are equal to two angles of another triangle, then they are similar by AA similarity, right? Triangle AOB similar to triangle COD by AA similarity. When two triangles are similar, what do you say? The ratio of the areas is equal to the squares of their corresponding sides. Very good, Nana. Therefore, area of triangle AOB by area of triangle COD is equal to sides are AB and DC. So, AB square by CD square. You can take square common. AB by CD whole square. So, here AB by CD is 2 by 1. So, 2 by 1 whole square, which is equal to 4 by 1. So, the ratio is 4:1. Okay. So, these two examples are most important. Practice them. In the next class, we are going to start exercise 8.3. Yes. Bye.